find out what part you're in. Hopefully we're close to each other somehow. But I mean, just being in the same state, that's already kind of close. We can hang out. Yeah, I don't know. There's not nice people in this part of North Carolina, man. I swear. Yeah, we can be internet friends. I love how I have a voice crack. Honestly, if you lived in North Carolina, I would want to be friends with you too, because I know we would be friends. But people are so toxic in North Carolina, so maybe tell her through person, because that means something. If you tell her through person, I don't know. But like, if you're like me and you're scared of rejection, do it through text. And then hit her with the, I really like you, or something. I don't even know how to do it. I'm not good with it. No, thank you. Thank you. If perfect, I literally don't have one actually. I'm gonna be honest, I don't. I like every single person that walks the earth almost, unless you're an old man. How did I think of my name? I saw this girl that I was friends with on TikTok, and she had like 420 or something, so I wanted to relate with weed in a way. So, in a way, I'm blonde, so we're gonna put Barbie's cooked, because Barbie's cooked. That's how I thought of it. And you're an old man? Why are you here? Why are you here then? I'm sorry, but I like kids that are my age. 16 to 18. 18's max, you know what I'm saying? Anything older, I'm sorry, no. I don't want adults to hit on me. I was about to say old man, but he really is an old man. I feel bad for, I don't know how to explain being scared of old men. I just really am. And I kind of go off on them once I see they're old, because it scares me. I don't know why. I saw these girls on live, and they were like 6th graders, and all these old men, like, they were dancing on live, like any little girl, I guess. And then like these old men were like, yeah, keep dancing, pretty girls. And I was like, ew, you're 70, please leave their live. I was like so creeped out. And then the girls didn't know, like, they were being creepy, obviously, and I was just like defending them because I was scared. I saw there was an old man, and I got so scared, and I just started freaking out. I don't know why. I don't know. Yeah, it is illegal. I just freak out. Even if they compliment me, even if they say I'm gorgeous, it scares me. I don't know why. I just don't want a compliment from an old man. And they're little girls. Like, the app says 13. So honestly, look at him. I know he's a nice guy. He's not weird. But like, looking at any other older guy, I think he's scary. You again? Yeah. You're 17? I mean, at least you're not old. And you're not a father. Or you're old enough to be a father. I mean, you kind of are, but I mean, usually, fathers are like, I don't know, 20. You're 21 old, but you're a girl. So, I feel like you're not scary. Usually girls are not scary to me, so. The only reason why I think that is because I've had so many weird old men like comment, and whenever I'm on this app I see old men comment to girls and it freaks me out. You're a father? You should go take care of your children. You're so pretty. Thank you. You are too. Oh my gosh, that is a compliment from you, girl. All these pretty girls compliment me, make me so happy. I'm glad you're being safe. Yeah, I don't know, I have a fear. Sometimes I sob. Same. Plus, I don't even know how to remove someone, so like all the time that I have accepted somebody and they were weird, I couldn't remove them. I didn't know how. Thank you, I guess. I try to accept compliments sometimes. I don't know. It's hard. Literally, my therapist is like, we're gonna give you some activities for self-love. And I'm like, okay, that sounds great. Cinderella's your fave talent. I can't even speak. 24? Who said they're 24? If you're 24, leave. My TikTok celebrity crush. I gotta think about this one. I see so many cute people on here. Ew, really? That's scary. I didn't even see it. I don't vape. And I go to therapy because of my anxiety, but like she also tries to help me with self-love. You love my voice? Thank you. That's very nice. I slept for like a few hours, I guess. She said that? Wait, who said that? I'm just trying to say that his girlfriend's like too pretty for him in a way. I don't know. If he's on here complimenting another girl, I feel bad for his girlfriend. She might as well come to me. I'll treat her right. I'll treat her right. Cause she ain't getting treated good enough. Obviously, this boy's out here complimenting other bitches. Red flag. Red flag. Dude, I don't even know what that means. Like, I think it has to do with that. I heard it was that Gunna guy. I don't know. What does it mean? I need an explanation. How do you know he had a girlfriend? Because someone commented, and whenever I clicked his name, it says, I have a girlfriend in parentheses. So he should leave. Hi, Miley. I like that name so much. I don't know what that means, bro. It's probably not a nice thing, but I do watch Shameless. I love Shameless.